Hello everyone, this is Katarina, your New York State dual citizenship attorney. Today was the day that the Constitutional Court heard arguments about the decree law that was passed last year. As we all know, last year on March 28th, 2025, the Italian government, through its ministry, passed a decree that stopped people from qualifying for citizenship going back beyond 2 generations. This decree came out of nowhere and caught everyone off guard. The government had used its emergency powers to create the situation where nobody knew what was going to happen until it happened. So one argument that was made today was whether the court abused its emergency powers in the way it handled the matter last year. Another thing that the attorneys argued before the court is about prior intent. How do we handle the situation that there were tens of thousands, at least in the U.S., that were on the waiting list at consulates waiting to get an appointment? They were not grandfathered in last year under the decree law. Why should those people be punished because of administrative failure on the part of the consulates? Those people who couldn't even get on the waiting list, why should they be punished? So arguments were made today about those who had prior intent should not be included under the decree law and no longer be able to apply if they could not secure that appointment at the consulate. Another interesting argument that was made today was whether the Constitutional Court should wait until the Italian Supreme Court issues its decision on the April 14th, 2026 hearing. On that date, the Italian Supreme Court heard arguments on the minor issue as well as other issues that dealt with the new decree law. The argument was made that the Supreme Court has still not issued its decision from April 14th and that the Supreme Court supersedes any decision that the Constitutional Court makes. So the argument today was made, Constitutional Court may want to wait until the Supreme Court issues its decision from the hearing that was held almost 2 months ago. I do know that the judges did not ask any questions. I don't know if that's a good sign or a bad sign. I don't know what to make of that. I will continue to update you and let you know as things unfold and as decisions come out. Thank you for following me on this channel.